Hello, my name is Amrita Ma Devi. Welcome to my page, welcome to my world. I'm excited to share with you more about what I do. I've been certified as an Ayurvedic practitioner, which means that I have the anatomy and physiology of a doctor in Ayurveda, but there's no need for me to do surgery because I like to use the power of herbs and food as medicine. Not to forget, of course, glorious nature and how it can bring us back to life and bring our vitality and that wisdom that we have innately in our bodies back online again. Use the alignment to the circadian rhythms. There's also testing at non-invasive ways to see how the body is functioning. I specialize in digestive issues and hormonal issues that help you to come back to a state of balance. We blend in meditation, breathwork and yoga to get your body and that life force energy back to its full and vital optimal health. So stick around if you'd like to learn more about how this ancient wisdom can be applied to the modern woman.